Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to unhide all hidden posts on Facebook. In the previous video, I showed how to hide all posts from Facebook timeline. And today in this video, I will show you how to recover and unhide your all hidden posts on Facebook. If you haven't seen the previous video, then check it out. I have given the link in the description of this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Now if I go to my profile and if I scroll down, then you can see that all my posts are hidden from timeline except the cover photo and profile photo. And now I am going to recover all of my hidden posts. If you want to recover all hidden posts, then here you click on three lines at the top right corner. After that, click on settings icon from here. Then just scroll down. After that, here you click on activity log. Then click on your activity across Facebook. After that, just scroll down. And here you click on posts. Then click on your posts, check-ins, photos and videos. After that, click on archive button from here. And now here you can see your all hidden posts. If you want to recover all of your hidden posts, then here you just check the select all box from here. After that, click on restore button at the bottom left corner. Then click on restore. After completed your restoring, then click on back icon at the top right corner. And now you can see that my all posts are hidden from friends and public. Now I am going to unhide all of my posts at once. If you want to unhide your all Facebook posts from friends and public, then just check the box from here. After that, click on three dots at the bottom right corner. Then click on change audience from here. After that, click on change audience button. Then here you select whom you want to show your posts. So here I will select friends. After that, click on change. Now your all posts will be available on Facebook timeline, which can be seen by public and friends also. Now if I go to my profile and if I scroll down, then you can see that all of my posts have been restored, which are now also available from my friends. So by this process, you can restore and unhide your all posts on Facebook easily. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.